Elon is furious once again, but this time it's because of a new discovery by the James Webb Space Telescope. If anyone is determined to challenge our understanding of the universe, it's Elon. The possible detection of city lights on Proxima b has him demanding answers. Could this be evidence of intelligent life just 4.24 light-years away? Elon isn't backing down and is prepared to push SpaceX to new heights to investigate this potential alien civilization. But what exactly did the James Webb Telescope find, and what are Elon's next steps after this unsettling discovery? Elon Musk and the James Webb Space Telescope's remarkable finding, Proxima b, discovered in 2016, has intrigued astronomers ever since. It orbits Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star located just 4.24 light-years from Earth, a cosmic stone's throw away. Proxima b lies within the habitable zone, meaning it's positioned just right for liquid water to exist. However, there's a challenge. Proxima Centauri is known for its violent solar flares that could easily strip away the atmosphere of nearby planets. While scientists have long speculated about life on Proxima b, they've assumed that the harsh conditions would make anything more complex than microbes unlikely. But now, enter the James Webb Space Telescope, Hubble's cutting-edge successor. Where Hubble gave us stunning views of distant galaxies and nebulae, Webb offers a deeper look into the universe, particularly in the infrared spectrum, providing us with invaluable data on distant planets, stars, and galaxies. What it found on Proxima b could rewrite our understanding of extraterrestrial life. A faint, steady glow on the planet's dark side has caught the attention of scientists. And this isn't just any glow. It doesn't match the typical patterns from natural phenomena like volcanic activity or atmospheric reactions. Instead, it resembles the artificial lights seen from Earth's cities at night, like those captured in satellite images of our planet's illuminated landscapes. Could this be proof of an alien civilization just waiting to be explored? The discovery is nothing short of astonishing, and now the entire world is watching as astronomers work to determine whether we've just uncovered evidence of an alien civilization. Naturally, Elon Musk, always a few steps ahead in matters of space, is likely already contemplating what this could mean for SpaceX and his broader vision. Musk has made it clear that he doesn't just aim to send humans to Mars. His goal is to make humanity a multiplanetary species. He frequently talks about humanity's future in space, and now, with this potential discovery, that future has suddenly become far more intriguing and perhaps a bit unsettling. Because let's be honest, if those lights on Proxima b are the product of an advanced civilization, everything changes. It not only means we're not alone in the universe, but it also suggests that there's a species out there capable of manipulating its environment in ways we've only seen on Earth. If they are advanced enough to build cities that glow in the night, they're likely far ahead of us in terms of technology. Musk, ever the visionary, is probably wondering what we could learn from them. Perhaps they've developed technologies beyond our wildest imaginations. But there's a flip side. What if they aren't as friendly as we might hope? It's the kind of scenario found in sci-fi horror films, but it's a real question when dealing with the unknown. Especially when considering potential extraterrestrial civilizations, you have to think about all the possibilities. Musk is likely weighing both the excitement of discovery and the potential risks of making contact with a civilization that may not have humanity's best interests in mind. After all, as Musk has pointed out before, history is full of examples where one civilization encounters another, and those interactions haven't always ended well. Then there's the issue of the red dwarf star, Proxima Centauri. It's not an ordinary star, it's highly volatile, with massive solar flares that would make survival difficult on any nearby planet. Yet, if the lights on Proxima b are indeed artificial, it means that whoever is there has found a way to survive in an environment that, at first glance, seems completely inhospitable to life. That in itself is mind-blowing. What kind of technologies have they developed to protect themselves from those intense solar flares? Could they be using advanced energy systems we haven't even begun to imagine yet? Musk, with his boundless curiosity and relentless drive for innovation, is likely already considering how these technologies could benefit humanity. After all, if a civilization on Proxima b can thrive under such extreme conditions, perhaps we could learn something that could help us tackle our own challenges, like climate change or energy shortages. Just imagine if we could discover how to harness the power of our own star in a way similar to what these aliens might be doing. This isn't just about interstellar travel anymore. It's about survival and thriving in even the harshest environments. However, before we get ahead of ourselves, there's still much to uncover. While the glow could be artificial, scientists are cautious not to jump to conclusions. They're rigorously testing, analyzing, and cross-checking the data to rule out any natural explanations for the lights. But if it turns out that the glow is indeed artificial, the implications would be groundbreaking. Not only would it be the first direct evidence of extraterrestrial life, but it would also suggest that intelligent life can exist in environments previously deemed impossible. This is where things get really exciting for Musk and SpaceX. In cosmic terms, Proxima b is close to Earth. While 4.24 light-years may sound far, it's a relatively short distance compared to other exoplanets. Musk, who's already working on making human travel to Mars a reality, could easily shift his focus toward Proxima b. If an advanced civilization exists there, wouldn't it make sense to send a probe, or even humans, to learn from them? Of course, the logistics are mind-boggling. We're still figuring out how to get humans to Mars, which is much closer, but with Musk's history of pushing the boundaries of what's possible, it wouldn't be surprising if he's already thinking about how SpaceX might tackle interstellar travel. Whether it's reusable rockets, Mars colonies, or now potentially reaching out to an alien civilization, Musk is always one to think big. As thrilling as all of this is, it's also a bit overwhelming. We've spent so long questioning whether we're alone in the universe, and now, with this discovery, it feels like we might be on the verge of getting an answer. The notion that there might be a civilization out there, possibly much more advanced than we are, raises countless questions. Who are they? What are their intentions? And perhaps most importantly, what does this mean for humanity's place in the universe? For Musk, this discovery likely feels like confirmation that we're headed in the right direction. Humanity needs to explore the stars, not just out of curiosity, but for our species' survival. If we can learn from civilizations that have already mastered how to thrive in extreme conditions, it could be the key to securing our own future. However, we need to approach this discovery with caution. History on Earth has shown that first contact between civilizations can be filled with challenges. Elon Musk's vision and humanity's future. With Elon Musk and the James Webb Space Telescope potentially uncovering alien city lights on Proxima b, this could be one of the biggest moments in human history. If your mind isn't already racing with possibilities, it should be. We're no longer just speculating about microbial life. This could be the real deal. Actual intelligent life. It feels like we're entering a new chapter in our understanding of the universe, and it's no surprise that Elon Musk is likely leading the charge. Let's take a moment to consider what this means for SpaceX. Musk has always envisioned sending humans to Mars, with the entire mission of SpaceX built on making humanity a multiplanetary species. But what happens when we realize there might already be another civilization out there doing what Musk is trying to accomplish? What if they've already built cities, developed advanced technologies, and found ways to survive on a planet orbiting a volatile star with unpredictable flares? This discovery is bound to shake up anyone's plans for Mars colonization. Here's the thing. Proxima b isn't just any exoplanet. Its location in the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, our closest stellar neighbor, gives it the potential to support life. And with the discovery of what could be city lights, we're edging closer to the realization that life outside Earth is entirely possible. Elon must be thinking if they can do it, so can we. But this shifts the entire conversation around space travel. Suddenly, it's not just about finding a backup home for humanity. It's about discovering whether we're the newcomers in a galaxy that may already be home to advanced civilizations. If those lights on Proxima b turn out to be artificial, the first question is, how advanced is this civilization? We're talking about a planet 4.24 light-years away. If these aliens are capable of illuminating their planet like Earth's cityscapes, they're not just experimenting with technology, they've mastered it. And who knows how long they've been there? They could have been thriving for millennia, using technologies far beyond our current understanding. This has to be both exciting and intimidating for Musk. On one hand, there's the endless curiosity. What could we learn from them? Could they have solutions to the problems we're facing on Earth, like sustainable energy and climate change? Maybe they've found ways to harness the energy of their volatile star, Proxima Centauri, in ways we haven't even begun to imagine. Musk has always been about pushing the limits of what's possible, and this discovery might offer the next significant leap forward. Just imagine learning from a civilization that has managed to thrive in conditions that would challenge even the most advanced Earth-based technologies. There's no doubt Elon is already brainstorming ways to make contact, or at the very least, study these lights in greater detail. But there's also the potential for danger. We've all seen enough sci-fi movies to know that not every alien civilization will welcome us with open arms. If they've been around long enough to develop advanced technologies, who knows what kind of defense systems they might have in place? It's entirely possible that any attempt to make contact might not be met with friendliness. Musk is a sharp thinker, and he's surely considering all the risks. Should we send signals to them, or would it be safer to observe from a distance and keep an eye on them? There's a delicate balance between curiosity and caution, especially when dealing with the unknown, like extraterrestrial life. Now, let's return to the idea of city lights. The fact that these lights have been detected on the night side of Proxima b is both exciting and puzzling. First of all, how are they generating enough energy to illuminate significant portions of their planet? Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star, much cooler and dimmer than our sun, which means their energy sources would likely be vastly different from anything we use on Earth. Could they be harnessing geothermal energy? Maybe they've developed nuclear fusion, something Musk has been interested in for years. Or perhaps they've tapped into something even more exotic, like antimatter or zero-point energy. If they've figured out how to extract energy from their star in ways we haven't even imagined, it would be a complete game changer. Musk frequently discusses the future of energy, whether it's solar power, battery storage, or even fusion reactors. But if this civilization has unlocked a new form of energy, it would revolutionize not only space travel, but also life on Earth. Imagine what tapping into that kind of power could do for everything from transportation to infrastructure to global economics. The potential is mind-blowing. And speaking of energy, let's not forget the biggest challenge. How are they surviving Proxima Centauri's violent solar flares? These flares are extremely intense, capable of stripping away an atmosphere in no time, making it nearly impossible for life to exist on the surface of a planet like Proxima b, or so we thought. But if these lights are evidence of an advanced civilization, it means they've found a way to protect themselves from their star's outbursts. Perhaps they've developed some kind of shield technology, or maybe they live underground or in heavily fortified cities. Whatever the case, it's clear they've advanced far beyond us in terms of dealing with such hostile environments. And do you think the same? Let me know your opinion in the comments box. If you liked the video, click the like button and subscribe to not miss our next videos.